Okay, so continuing operation here. So press the long button once. Now if you select mode and you want to like use the little buttons to get you over to the hand, that means you're now in manual mode. So I pressed it again to select the manual mode. And that means that your timers are not working at all. It's just, you know, if you can use it like a normal light switch. On, your lights flip on outside, off. Your lights will flip on, off outside. So if you don't need dawn to dusk, fine. You can just use the hand with showing manual and on and off. Press the long button again. I like it on automatic, so I'm gonna use my buttons to get me back, and you can see time is flashing, select it, long press it to hold it, and then you're back to the automatic mode. Hope this answers some of your questions, and hope that you can figure out how to program your dawn to dusk based on this. Thank you, bye.